the compute service. So Lambda is basically a serverless function where you don't have to manage the servers. So it has been managed by the Lambda AWS management. And to create a function, you have to go and click on create. So here we will discuss the example of taking already defined Lambda application from the AWS provider. So the objective is basically like I want to schedule an event on a website, and where I would like to check the availability of my website, or I would like to check a particular uh, statement in my website. So click on user blueprint, and here you can search canary. So here you can see Lambda canary, and it's perform a periodic check for the given site, erroring out on test failures. So it will error out if your website is not working or it's not available, and according to that you can perform a operation, or you can configure the mail service which will which will trigger a mail if the website is not working. So let's give a function name. It's a my canary function, and you can use so you have a feature if you have already created any role, which is a Lambda basic role, which will provide the access to the Lambda function to push the logs in CloudWatch and to trigger the event. So you have to give the basic permission to use the CloudWatch. So here you can create a new role. So it will take few minutes to create a role, and here you can give the, suppose I say I want to create a new rule, and I can say every 1 minute I want to check the website availability, and here you can give the rule give description to check the website availability in every 1 minute. And then here you can schedule an event. So the pattern you can follow rate 1 day or con job, or you can specify like on a specific time when you want to trigger. So right now we are not enabling the trigger. We will perform that unit testing kind of thing, and then we will see if all the test cases are passing, then only I will trigger the my Lambda function. So it's like I am looking for the, I want to check the availability of Amazon.com, and I am expecting a value called as online shopping. So instead of using online shopping, because online shopping is not available in Amazon, so you can search for the word Amazon in the Amazon.com, and I click on create function. So it's take few seconds to span up my function. Yeah, it's taking some time. Okay, so this is my canary function, and these are my layers. So it says 0 layers, so you can, there is a limitation that you can use up to 5 layers. So this is my CloudWatch events, and here it will store my CloudWatch logs. So this is my function, which is the blueprint function that is provided by the AWS. This is the Lambda handler, which will Lambda service will pass event and the context of my event, and here it is validating whether the expected value in the environment variable is equal to the result value. These are my environment variables, expected, site name, and here you can specify tags to your Lambda function, and I'm using the existing role. It has already we have created the role. Here you can specify the one memory size. So there is a limitation on the Lambda side that you can have at until 3000 MB memory. That is sufficient for so here you can see what is, would you like to add BPC concurrency label. So we will skip all these things and we will go ahead with the testing. So before deploying your function to the production, you should perform a testing. So configure test environment, and here you should select a CloudWatch because we need to test the event generation. My event test testing, and I will say create. So it has been created. So now you can go and click on test button and it will perform the execution. So it is saying the function is successful and it is giving you output. Now we are ready to deploy our canary function in the production. So click on a CloudWatch event and enable the service. So you say enable and save the your function. Now go back to the monitoring service. So you have the monitoring service which will give you the information whether the Lambda function was working properly or not. So you have CloudWatch metrics over here. So it is to say how many times it is invoked, duration of time, error count and success rate, total values, and a lot of things. So here you will get the logs. So right now it will take 1 minute to give me the output. So just wait for a minute. So if you see these points are coming up, so you see it has been invoked first time, and you see the duration of time, and here you have the success rate 100% is showing, and similarly you will get the logs over here. So if I refresh, I started getting the logs. So it is saying this is a build duration, and it has injection time, log time, memory size, and you will get a bunch of logs here. So it will keep checking the availability of service, availability of the particular website, and it will keep looking for that particular word in the website. So yeah, so that's it.